I got the truck pulled out. I cleaned the frame a little bit, knocked some of that dirt off, and I cleaned the tank up. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna start to go back together with it. I got my filler neck, my straps, and I'm trying to source fuel and brake lines because remember we went from crew cab to single cab, a little bit shorter than a factory single cab. So I'm gonna order the single cab ones if I can find them and see if they'll work. All right, so I got the fish plates. I had them primed, now I got them painted with some black. When I got done, I stepped back and it was just like a black square on this frame. So I got a little carried away and I just started painting the frame. I got it pretty much inside and out up to where I need to move that pan forward some, but yeah, it just didn't look right painting just that area. So I took it out, pushed it outside. In that video at the beginning, didn't have footage of me blasting it or washing it. And then pushed it back inside and started to paint. And I just used some old Rust-Oleum stuff, but it came out all right, I guess. I mean, I still have to do underneath this, but that's the stuff I used. It works pretty good out in the weather, but I still need to do the front. But when I pull the suspension stuff off, I'll do the front. But next is the transfer case. I need to put this back in. I think there's a gasket that goes there. I can kind of see right here, it's shiny where this one was, and it's on the transfer case, and then this you could feel there's a lip. So I think there was a paper gasket that went around, and I'm gonna see what I can find online or at the Ford dealership and try to get that together. And then once I get that in, I've already taken this piece out. There's that cross member there. I cut that out. First I cut it out, and then that way I could get to these rivets easier. And those rivets were a pain. They were bigger than these small ones. And what I did was I just cut like a tic-tac-toe and then chiseled away and punched them through, and they ended up coming out, but they were still a pain in the butt. But yeah, I don't know, looks pretty good. Just for a brush, hand brushed it all. I also have a rattle can to get in some spots I couldn't reach, and I'm not gonna be able to reach all of them, And I didn't get this bottom stuff. I don't know how far I'm gonna go with it. I really just wanted to for it to flow with these painted areas right here, but I'm gonna get on this gasket, see if I can find it. If not, I'll probably just use RTV. So I think it just keeps water out more than anything. But yeah, I think it just keeps water out. But you can kind of see where there was something on here. But we'll check it out.